In these problems, we're doing some adding and some subtracting with mixed numbers. There are really two ways to do this. You could convert these to improper fractions. To do that, I would take this 3 and multiply it by the 2, and then I would add it to the top. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so that would really be 7 halves. And then I've got my plus here, and I'll do the same thing here. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 1 is 13, so that would be 13 halves. So 7 plus 13 is 20 halves. And 20 halves, 20 divided by 2, that equals 10. That's one way to do it. Another way is sort of like cheating. You know, it's kind of a shortcut. You can, in your head, you can say, okay, I want to do the whole number part first. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then I want to do the fraction part second, 1/2 plus 1/2. Well, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. That equals 10. I think that's a little bit easier to do it that way. We can try that shortcut on the subtraction problem to see if it works. We'll really break it into two problems, 3 minus 1 and 5/7 minus 4/7. Let's see if that works. So 3 minus 1, that equals 2, and 5/7 minus 4/7 would equal, well, 5 minus 4 is 1, so that would be 1/7. So we'll combine these, and we would get 2 and 1/7 as our answer. Let's check this by converting to improper fractions. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 5 is 26/7, minus 1 times 7 is 7, plus 4 is 11/7. So 26 minus 11 would be 15/7. And let's see there, 14, 2 sevens in 14, so that would be 2 and 1/7. Indeed, that checks out. All right, and we've got one more problem here, a word problem. It says, Rory lives 5 2/3 miles from school. He rode his bike from home to school and back home. How far did Rory ride? So he goes there, so it's really 2 of those. So it's 5 2/3 plus 5 2/3. I'm going to try the shortcut method here. I'm going to do the whole number part first. 5 plus 5 is 10. And now I have 2/3 plus 2/3. That equals 4/3. Well, if I convert that back to a mixed number, I can take, there's 1 3 in 4, leaving 1 left over. So that would be 1 1/3. And I would add that back into my 10, and I would get 11 1/3. If you want to do it the longer way, where you convert these to improper fractions, you'll come out with the same answer. Check it out, see if it works.